First, let's look at the auto open feature. When you get close, the microwave sensor picks up your movement and flips the lid open for you. You can also use the foot sensor. Kick it once to open the lid, a second time to lift the seat, and one more time to close everything back up. To add the foam cleaner, slide the glass panel to the right and release it to lower the cover. Open the foam liquid bottle and pour it into the inlet here. Once it's full, you'll see the low liquid indicator turn from red to yellow. To put the cover back, align it slightly to the right first. Then slide it left until it clicks into place. Now, long press the foam shield button for 3 seconds to enable auto foaming. You'll hear a beep. Now, it'll automatically create a foam layer as soon as you sit down. You can also hit the foam shield button on the remote to manually create a layer of foam. The X70 comes with an filter cartridge. This icon indicates the filter cartridge inspection status. The icon in green indicates the wash function is in progress. The icon in blue indicates the filter cartridge is running properly. The icon in red indicates that the filter cartridge becomes dirty and needs to be replaced. Open the cover. Remove the concealed funnel and twist the filter cartridge clockwise to take it out. This filter blocks sediment and impurities to keep your water clean. To put it back, just twist it clockwise to tighten it. Replace the funnel and slide the glass panel back. Now let's test the wash functions. Remember, you have to be seated. It'll start with a quick pre-wet. Press posterior wash. The nozzle will self-clean and then start the spray. You can adjust the nozzle position and tweak the water pressure and temp. After washing, it's time for the dryer. You can hit dry manually, or it'll switch over automatically after 3 minutes. It'll do one last self-clean and a quick flush before the warm air starts. You can adjust the air temp and vent position during the cycle. To stop, either hit stop or simply stand up. It'll shut off automatically. The feminine wash also requires the seat sensor. Press the button. Let the nozzle self-clean, and you're good to go. You can adjust the position and temp here too. We also have pulse wash. This varies the water pressure for a pulsating effect. The nozzle stays fixed by default while the water flow dances. You can still customize the temp and pressure. Hot or cold massage can be added to any wash mode. It alternates between warm and cool water. Just hit the massage button while washing to start it. For flushing, a quick press gives you a full flush. A long press is for a half flush. There's a 1-minute wait between flushes. Here's how to flush if the power goes out. Make sure your water supply is still on. Open the panel. Pull the lever up for 5 seconds for the side flush. Press it down for 5 seconds for the bottom flush. Then pull it up again for 5 seconds to refill the bowl. Child mode is perfect for little ones who are too small for the seat sensor. Long press the feminine wash button to activate it. Child mode bypasses the seat sensor, so you can manually start washing or drying using the remote. To exit, long press the same button until you hear two beeps. When the seat is empty, long press the dry button to start a one-time UV sterilization. We also have an eco mode. Just give the eco button a quick press, and you'll hear a beep. 1 beep means it's on, and 2 beeps means it's off. Now for the seat temperature. The icon on the display will light up. This means you're in adjustment mode, and the number you see represents the heat level. Same thing for the water temperature. The water icon will light up, and you'll see the temp change accordingly. Now, let's take a look at the electrolyzed water sterilization feature. A quick press on this button starts a 90-second deep clean using electrolyzed water. If the lid is closed while you're away, it'll actually auto-sanitize every 8 hours. If you don't need this, just long press the electrolyzed water button to toggle it. 1 beep for on, 2 for off. Press and hold pulse wash for 3 seconds to set the corresponding color of the ambient light. There are 6 color modes in total, and each press will switch to the next color in the following: cyan, orange, white, blue. Rhythmic, ambient light synchronizes with surrounding music, creating a dynamic and relaxing atmosphere. And off. Let's talk about the side buttons. When you're off the seat, I'll give it a quick tap, and there goes the flush. Press and hold it to enter the standby mode. To turn it back on, just long press it again. For the wash buttons, you'll need to be seated. A quick press starts the wash. If you're in posterior wash but want to switch to feminine wash, just tap the other button. It works exactly like the remote. While washing, if you long press the flush button, it'll stop the spray and start the dryer. If I hold it again while drying, it'll adjust the fan speed. A quick tap will stop the dryer altogether. To adjust the microwave sensor range, long press foam shield. Hold foam shield and open or close lid or seat for 3 seconds. 3 beeps is the max range, 2 is medium, and 1 is short. 2 quick beeps will turn off the auto open feature entirely. Then there's the auto deodorizer. Hold posterior wash and open or close lid or seat. 1 beep means it's on. Once enabled, it kicks in automatically as soon as you stand up. For the foam shield, a quick tap triggers a manual foam cycle. Long press it to enter settings. 1 beep for auto foaming, 2 beeps to turn auto foaming off. To toggle the pre-wet or auto flush, use pulse wash plus open or close lid or seat. 2 beeps mean pre-wet is off. For auto flush, use feminine wash plus open or close lid or seat. 2 beeps means that's off too. Now, if I sit down, there's no pre-wet, and if I wait 10 seconds and stand up, nothing. No auto flush because we just disabled those features. Let's turn them back on. That's auto flush active. And now pre-wet is back on. If the display is too bright, you can turn it off. First, enter setup mode by holding flush and open or close lid or seat until you hear a long beep. Now, long press eco. 2 beeps mean it's off. You'll see the display panel turn off once you exit setting mode. Hold flush and open or close lid or seat again to save and exit. Next, I'll show you how to toggle some of the advanced settings. Keep in mind, you have to enter settings mode first to make these changes. To enter settings mode, press and hold both the flush and open or close lid or seat buttons at the same time. You'll hear a long beep. That's the signal that you've successfully entered the settings mode. For the UVC water purification, give the water temp button a quick press. 1 beep means it's on, 2 beeps means it's off. For the UV sterilization function, it's a short press on the feminine wash button. To toggle men's priority mode, tap the posterior wash button. Next is the smart night light function. Tap the seat temp button to switch it. Now for the auto lid close and flush after leaving the seat. Tap the open or close lid or seat button to cycle through the levels. 3 beeps is level 3. 2 beeps is level 2. Just cycle through until you find the setting you like. The next one is the foam cleaner shortage reminder. There's an indicator here to let you know when the solution is low. If you'd rather not have that alert, just tap the foam shield button while in setting mode. Once you've got everything set up, hold down the flush and open or close lid or seat buttons again to save. You'll hear 3 beeps that means your settings are saved.